Right, was your former chat of Yami and Wakawa at about by Grace TV. So this is actually a Punyanko Dom. I was young Ubia a Ignating, said that Lumber Wechi. Assemble qua Abagentra, how power your mind Ganemo, a year, Mr. America, that Lumba, New Wechi, Yere, the Oyere, and the Onyere, and Yamaliga wives, and just a Timo Dobroni, Abribia, say ye tune is any abasa. I want 10 times feeding this way, and Yenabuzia, was a court a boissem. Ɛyɛ bosomi du baako no de ɛtɔ so aduonu wɔtwe ɛwɔ afe mpem mmienu ɛne aduonu num 28th of November 2025 ɛna court bua yɛ anasɛm ɔka yɛ ne sɛ sɛbi maame akɔso asɛ wa na abusua anaasɛ ɔno adɔfo nkyɛn mu ɔmo de ba sɛ ɔmo yɛ yere a yɛaware ɔmo mmerɛ mu yɛ a ɛyɛ ordinance marriage no court wɔgye to wɔn yɛ yie na inasoɔ ne sɛ krataa no na ɔho ne sɛ approval bi a na wɔsɛ bɛka ɔnaasɛ authentication bi maame di mu ɛne nti ɔnye ntum na mmom deɛ ogyina mu di mu a maame akɔso asɛwa ne sɛ ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ maame akɔso asɛwa that lumba ɛware no ɛwɔ fie customary marriage ɛwɔ afe apem ahankron ɛde ɔkono baako mu 1991 eti saa deɛ a na ɔyɛ yere na mmom ne yere a wɔyɛ no ɛnyɛ ordinance ne mmom ɛyɛ fie deɛ customary ɛna ba a ɔdɔburo ni so deɛ nso court bɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɛwɔ afe mpem mmienu ɛne 2010 10th of April ɛyɛ bosome 9 de ɔtɔ so du ɛwɔ afe mpem mmienu ne du 10th of April 2010 that lumba and so wari odobroni e wo fie ye customary marriage nti sadia na ye maame akoso asewa e na afi odobroni wo mu nyina ye ma that lumba wari omo na emom wan wari omo se wan wari maame akoso asewa se mre mu de wari ne fie sa so wari odobroni fie ti wo mu nyina na am say customary marriage and that lumba wari omo nti wo mu nyina ye no mu a wo mu ye kuna ye nti court e kan say sadia bu se pani go fi su ɛnhwɛ no wɔnka maa no nyinaa mom na wɔn nyɛ kuna na asɛm wei court bua wie ne nyinaa nim sɛ nsɛm akɔ so yɛ man Ghana mu deɛ yɛ anim asɛm afei de bi kura si wɔ appeal bɛba so bi si yɛ ma so nkosi hwee maame akɔ so asɛ waso wɔde n'asɛm ama nyame saa bere abusua putupiri a breaking news ame confirm de ama on by Grace TV ne sɛ yɛ maame akɔ so asɛ wa file for appeal yɛ saa bere amena kasa deɛ asɛm no ɛsan ɛkɔ appeals court ɛwɔ Kumasi Asante Mantem ha and Mammy Akosia officially has filed for appeal. And that's Sabria, so be a go now the empty of was near and some more appeal and to hear notice of appeal. Seven Casa, yeah, and Munche more notice of appeal. Or please take notice that the plaintiff and I say appellant herein being aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment of the High Court, Kumasi, more particularly stated herein and contained in the judgment of His Ladyship Justice Dorinda Smith Arthur, sitting at the High Court, Kumasi, and dated on the 28th day of November 2025, do hereby appeal to the Court of Appeal against the decision upon the grounds set out in paragraph 3 and will, at the hearing of the appeal, seek the relief set out in paragraph 4. That's what Churchill said, Atemwa, Kumasi High Court, Justice Dorinda Smith Atta Ebuayeno, or Jitumwa Edi Disabredi, or Sanya Kodan Court say, Court, and Sangulan Semubium, now non seminous continue to was a Musafonian King Kind, their Kratanika said the plaintiff for Upland further states that the name and address for service with the jurisdiction of the persons directly affected by the appeal are those set out in paragraph 5. Nese Muye Munche Munana for Yemre, a fan Kratan Munase court was no bueno, a Mufadia Wahin, and a Mamma Cosia was able to say on Tiasia or file for appeal. After you be removed, near Sharon to share a Faha Abidu say part of the judgment of trial courts complaint of. And some court bueno, a fine fan, and a mammy, a cabidia fan or your appeal, young shady okay. Also, the whole of the judgment of the High Court Kumasi dated the 28th day of November 2025. Next, I tell you what I call the betuja. Ya ochese mama yakoso sewa ya ware no fie afei oyayire e wa mamre mu odogbo ni so yayire wa mamre mu ti omu na nko yekura no ochese ni na ogitu wa enye yie ti no ye baako and afei de so oba ase o say grounds of appeal enti nyina so oba no dey appeal no dey can say the High Court erred when it held that the marriage certificate exhibits B and B2, B1 and B2 was not admissible per se. There's a black court can say, Mamma Cosia Sewana, what the Enkrata, under Lumba, what the Enkrata, Germany, or what the Enkrata, onyi ntum no eno ose court no efom e wo na say one court nya adwene enti oye ho appeal after the just be say the court erred when it held that section 161 of the Evidence Act is a condition precedent for putting weight on an admitted document. One say after almost just a crack down by no authentication name mun sem bebre ya nti court chese odi tun wenye yi nso chese court no afoming e was safa on ma fe nto aso ye nhwe de crack down appeal no mun sem ka de chere Ghana man any wiase abuzuya after was the court erred when it held that the evidence by the defendant was more credible than that of the evidence of the plaintiff. One say abeto odwa say maami temu afo tena dwam e ka chere Babranti and papa obedi adanse ye de ma odobroni ye odobroni enu abekunu se ono na danse obedi ye ya o chese that lumba ne odobroni ware 2010 that lumba omo ware that lumba kwa ka se e ma wo ntwamfo ni bia o sanse o a private person and as anybody ya kwa ka se wo ade ne koso no bushafo tiem busa that lumba se na se o were se o ile ni akoso ya se wa and na se be ware de she that lumba kwa tiem wo ka se o me ni awari bia bia me ni akoso ya se wa jai ye be ka ya Emma Chelsea or the picture we are on so na mamma ya buy you no be when you grab a card the same thing say mamma ya buy you no honum bi afei just say ha obobo din a obi also on kai no with him no e be to dwa ema nipa no a kudi adanse ye odobroni enu aba kun na aba abonte be kai on a Empire FM on obi interview e wo kusi se adwumadi so say e da na onu kudi na adaka mu di adanse wi judge temwafo eka chensa no kwa na edi adanse yi pa na ona danse no toss mu ya emu da ho entiase wo mpa echen adanse a bia mama Georgina ye mama Georgina ye mama akoso asewa adanfo afei adanse ya mama akoso abempoma mama akoso asewa ekuma dadlu mbanu aba peni bedi ye nyina eno so appeal ya mama akoso asewa de kodan ko to se da bi eno so court no ekasa on the court enya adwen so obeka se sa de obedi adanse we nyina ona adanse no toss mu ye mu da ho fine echen mama akoso abempoma ne mama Georgina mama akoso asewa adanfo Georgina adanse obedi ye enso honum afei to also be one say additional grounds will be filled upon receipt of the records of appeal. Na say afei dia ka bia so de munchim baba bedan court e bran kata e bedu court anim enti afei sadia the enti awachim say one court ni adwini ene e den o hwe the free court reliefs sought from the court of appeal the enti of what say reliefs in the Ocean Free Court when said that the whole judgment of the High Court be set aside and judgment be entered in favor of the plaintiff. Na say the man say wa Ocean Free Court we na say atemu na sa da no a free court me the Kumasi High Court e bae no court for the nyina nsi nchen na fe onwura sem no mu asem no emfa maame akoso asewa ya na e plaintiff or the asem no akodan court ana obehwe emfa ya aka so say persons directly affected by the appeal here because why na ebenye nsunsuanso wo so enti de kan eye busu apani kofusu ye obu akokumase na ese me amena na to park asem na ye kan busu apani kofusu sabi ruling here na say appeal yi de ya ebenye nsunsuanso wo so nti obey interested party in the matter sanso na afei Priscilla Ofori ye ka say Priscilla Ofori a ebe na no nipa ko no ane odobroni ye no so ewo enkran and transition funeral homes and as aka Enterprise Funeral Services Hacho Asori Junction Atomic Road Accra na ebia na obi anim and as obi nim transition funeral homes a womo and ya bia that lumba mu no ye de ko share e won kran e transition funeral homes do bia na yesu bia na yesu womo aka ho no womo so same way aba appeal yi womo so hunsunsuan so be wom womo be bone mu ye nti wo so na e kan obibu ama asomtwe pa na bibia e boko Abuzuya, enti that is it for the issue. And I say, as some more bad, you didn't come on. Now, my focus I say, appeal into Benya Basso and I am Mason. This already a hobby. I can tell you, say, appeal not a basso. Yeah, I file and I say, Mamma, I could just one lawyer for a file the Kumasi Court of Appeals in the Dominion Chambers, I will do Kumasi. Yeah, lawyer William Kisi, lawyer for the plaintiff. And I say, appellant, now, Mamma, I could just say, no and an insa eshase now the bia the registrar of the Court of Appeal Kumasi through the registrar of the High Court Kumasi and so on tie din some way achi abusuya this year the next the aba no tie me adom ade be pure free ma be bia ye de mu enchemu ni mu amane bu na ba be so mo di wa wo hwe sabre de appeal na nya ba so tie let's cross fingers and see how it goes. Yen share the area court ebeka e dia front. Nyame enom waye na ono bi nyina ntiase na pepepe yemra na bibia anya asomdwe yentimi entena dadlum behu achi na yeman Ghana entimi enko na
Your perfume, near my degree, home my own yisha. Nani, any year woman say, perfumes never show her no. So, why, when you whom be a whole tester, and away a showcase is so hey. I can't test her nature, saying, yes, I don't know about Batono, wouldn't the way I see now, aha,
packaging
bow, shake the way amber glue, brew, so shake, Yamaunia, now she and us when you home. Now, wafa. See, your near man, dear.
Abuja sounds not making for better grades financial services at the amount Ghana for more American and Canada about insurance on some financial assistance near the idea a back up any better grades financial services. Yeah, me mama and not to answer in a Kotoko Brimpon and not to answer in here or here than I could see a cofa at the abant. Mr. Oshamia for number Gusui, Nanamia Mam than I could see you trinkle with me at your point. Sabu America or Canada, and after the better grades financial services to another baby. I could the amount of home but our music assembly could you upon to na that should be a swab and for so as Chilian Pong 18 and when Yamedasi so jibre na utim we did the cabinet was Yami I don't know appeals no appeal court at Nansen Swa the Becos to be a dimension any more money na ever so Yamin count order for a Bepemi Bishia Macau. Bye bye.